Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at a fresh trade on the lot. This one a 2015 Maple Leaf Edition by Freedom Express 293 RLDS. And it's a beautiful fiberglass sided camper, set up for couples, lots of room inside though, we'll show you that in a minute. Comes to us in fantastic condition for a trailer that is 9 years old. It still shows as new on the inside, which we'll show you now. So again, on the 293 RLDS, you've got opposing slides in the living space. See, it really opens up to create a nice social space. You've got the fold down couch here, two comfortable chairs at the back. Nice big U-shaped dinette. That'll drop down and create a double bed as well. Your entertainment center is set up in such a way that you can enjoy it from just about any vantage point in the camper. Got the electric fireplace under there, the TV over top. Beautiful peninsula kitchen, really set up well if you want to get in there and be able to cook and do your business and still be involved in the conversation going on around you. Great pantry space, nice wood grain finish to the fridge, and as you can see, countertop in beautiful condition. Everything in here is like new. Nice accent lighting in the ceiling, and a nice skylight here in the top of the slide above the U-shaped dinette. Heading towards the front of the camper, there is some more storage space here to the left. Got the key rack here. Nice spot to set up to charge your phone. Leave it set up right in there and plug it in. Smart design. We'll take a look at the washroom as we pass through. We got a foot flush toilet, corner shower, nice medicine cabinet, good size sink with some storage below, and a great big linen storage closet. Heading into the main bedroom, we've got a walk around queen bed. Shelves on either side, some storage above. Nice big wardrobe at the front. All kinds of space to keep everything away for multiple seasons of camping. Some storage here and some storage above. Folks, this is a 2015 Freedom Express Maple Leaf Edition 293 RLDS here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis. Again, in beautiful mint pre-owned condition. Please come down and take a look if you're looking to get into something to wrap up your season, maybe finish up your camping with some beautiful fall exploration or set it up on a seasonal lot. This unit has all the features you would need and a great size layout for that sort of thing. And if you want to have the right camper set up on your lot for the start of next season, we can certainly still do that for you and provide that service. Come on in and see us, folks. Leisure Time Sales, Quispamsis, our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton, have some great options for you as well. Hope to see you soon.